Do you often struggle with a sore throat, cough, or seasonal cold and flu? Even after taking medicine, if you still don't feel much relief, then it's time to try a simple and powerful home remedy. In our kitchen lies a hidden treasure that not only adds flavor to food, but also protects our health. Yes, we're talking about cloves and honey. Before going to bed at night, roast 4 to 5 cloves lightly, mix them with 1 teaspoon of honey, and eat it. This helps soothe sore throats, whooping cough, dry cough, and the common cold. It even helps clear nasal congestion and makes breathing easier. The warm nature of cloves combined with the natural sweetness of honey gives the body instant comfort. This remedy is simple, safe, and highly effective. So why not add it to your nightly routine starting today? Subscribe and follow me for more healthy tips like this.